So Jensen Huang just released a ton of updates at Nvidia GTC Taipei. In today's video, we're going to be breaking it all down. First up, Nvidia just dropped a NemoTron 3 Ultra, their next open AI model. And this thing is a monster. We're talking 550 billion total parameters with up to 55 billion per active token, built on the hybrid Mamba transformer mixture of expert setup. But here's the thing that actually matters for you and me is that this is completely open source. The model, the training scripts, and the data is all made available. So let's see how Jensen broke it down.
Model. We call it NemoTron. Nvidia is dedicated to build open models for the world so that all of you, all of us, could create our own agents. Today we're announcing the NemoTron 3 Ultra. Yep, our next open model, and it is smart. The NemoTron models not only give you the model, we give you all the data that we use to train the model. And because we have a coalition of incredible partners, you can see all of our partners down here, we work together, contribute data to each other. NemoTron is trained on one of the largest suites of long-running reasoning models, long-running tool, task-solving, tool-using data sets in the world. Because of all of our great partnerships, all of this from the model, the training script, and the data made completely available to you. This is open models at its best. The best open model system policies in the world. Simple goal is so that you can take all of it, add to it, make it even better, make it yours. NemoTron 3 Ultra is 5 times faster. This is the world's first model based on a hybrid architecture of SSM, state-space models, with mixture of experts. The architecture is incredibly fast. We made it fast so that you could think fast. When you think fast, you could think longer at the same cost. So 5 times faster. It is also 30% cheaper, 30% lower cost to run in total flops and total inference time than even the most cost-effective in the world. We're comparing against the world's best open models. Frontier Smart, 5 times faster, 30% cheaper, completely open. We're completely dedicated to this. This is now NemoTron 3. We're currently working on NemoTron 4.
Next, Nvidia revealed a brand new CPU, and they're not even pretending it's for us anymore. It's called Vera, and Jensen flat out said that traditional CPUs are designed for humans, but Vera is built for a future where billions of AI agents are working alongside us. He called it the CPU for the age of agents, and the specs are wild, up to 3.6 terabytes per second of internal bandwidth, and this is how he introduced it.
Agentic AI changes the role of the CPU. The CPU is now the conductor, and the GPU is the orchestra. Traditional CPUs were built for a different era, maximizing cores per socket. Slice them up, virtualize, rent by the hour. In the age of agents, the CPU is now a bottleneck to GPU utilization, directly affecting token throughput, latency, and user experience. Nvidia Vera is the CPU built for the agentic loop, combining Nvidia's custom data center CPU core with the scalable coherency fabric for the right balance of performance cores and bandwidth to maximize AI factory output. At the heart of Vera is the Nvidia Olympus core, built for modern data center workloads, branch-heavy Python runtimes, tool calls, and sandboxed code execution. Each core is tuned for throughput, a neural branch predictor evaluating 2 taken branches per cycle. A 10-wide decode engine brings in more work each cycle. A large out-of-order engine keeps instructions moving. Advanced prefetchers with a novel graph engine anticipating the next data path. But fast cores only matter when data arrives correctly and on time. Vera is the first CPU to use LPDDR5X memory, while correcting multiple errors simultaneously without compromising bandwidth. Vera achieves 40% lower peak memory latency versus x86, keeping cores fed on time through retrieval, analytics, and sandbox execution. Nvidia's second-generation scalable coherency fabric unifies all 88 Olympus cores on a monolithic mesh with separate dies for memory and I/O. Cores are not split across chiplets, enabling 50% faster core-to-core communication than traditional CPUs. And memory-coherent NVLink chip-to-chip connects GPUs directly to the fabric. Beyond GPUs, NVLink chip-to-chip can scale Vera up to multiple sockets, enabling massive bandwidth between CPUs. Vera delivers 1.8 times the agentic sandbox performance of x86 CPUs. Standalone Vera racks run agent sandboxes, tools, code, and data pipelines. Tightly coupled to Rubin GPUs, Vera keeps accelerated workflows moving. Nvidia Vera Bluefield 4 STX powers context memory and AI storage. Compute, networking, storage. Vera is the CPU for the age of agents.
Now this one is for robotics and the physical AI crowd. Nvidia launched Cosmos 3, an open world foundation that helps robots, self-driving cars, and physical systems actually understand and predict the real world. They trained it on 20 trillion tokens of multimodal data, nearly 4 billion images, and 400 million real and synthetic videos, plus sound, text, and action data. It doesn't just watch the world, it outputs action data.
Today, we are very excited to release Cosmos 3. This is the strongest and the most versatile model we have ever built so far. Last year, we released Cosmos Predict for future prediction, Cosmos Transfer for domain transfer, Cosmos Reason for physical understanding, and Cosmos Policy for action generation. In Cosmos 3, we bring all of them together in a single model. The latest Cosmos 3 model is the Omni model, Omni in language, video, sound, and action, both inputs and outputs. It's based on a novel architecture called Mixture of Transformer, where you have two towers. The left tower runs autoregressive, the right tower runs diffusion. This new architecture subsumes a couple of important architectures, including vision language model, world action model, and even vision language action model. Physical AI developers can leverage this architecture as a good starting point to customize, to build whatever eventually important to their downstream applications. And this Cosmos 3 release, we have two models. One is the Nano model, the other is the Super model. The Super model provides extraordinary accuracy in physical AI tasks, and the Nano model is smaller, easier for edge device deployments. Cosmos 3 has incredible performance. It won multiple physical AI benchmarks, including reasoning benchmarks such as Vintage and TAR, and generation benchmarks such as PyBench, RBench, and also #1 in RoboLab for policy evaluation. Our image-to-video generation result is currently ranked #1 in artificial analysis for open source models. Physical AI is a challenging task. You need open model so that you can customize the model so that it tailored to the perspective of your physical AI setup. Cosmos 3 is an open model with the weight openly accessible to developers. We also provide training scripts and the dataset to help physical AI developers adopt. As NVIDIA, we want to help accelerate the physical AI revolution. We are doing our part to build high-quality, open physical AI foundation models to unlock all the developers. Cosmos 3 is available today. The model weight can be downloaded from Hugging Face, and the example code can be downloaded from GitHub.
And finally, this is the big one. Nvidia and Microsoft are teaming up to, in Jensen's words, reinvent the PC. This is RTX Spark, a single superchip that fuses a Blackwell RTX GPU with 6,144 CUDA cores and a custom 20-core Grace CPU. 1 petaflop of AI performance, 128 gigs of unified memory. Jensen called it the first completely re-engineered line of PCs in 40 years. One that doesn't just run apps, it runs AI agents locally, and here is the reveal.
It started with a spark, an idea, to reimagine the PC for the first time in 40 years, for the age of AI. What becomes of our personal computer in a world of agents? Agents running natively, connected to models, local or in the cloud. Our personal AI, sandboxed for security, running continuously, getting work done. The chips and the OS must evolve. Introducing RTX Spark. Everything we've learned over 33 years, distilled into one chip. Blackwell RTX GPU with 6,144 CUDA cores, 1 petaflop of AI performance. A custom 20-core Grace CPU, built in partnership with MediaTek. Fused by NVLink. 128 gigabytes of unified memory. TSMC 3 nanometer process. 70 billion transistors. And in close collaboration with Microsoft, a Windows platform for agents. We're reinventing the personal computer. For creating. For gaming. For agents. This is the dawn of a new personal computing revolution. And it starts with Nvidia RTX Spark.